Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, pyare Hazur. My name is Hamad Butt. I'm from Bethel Fatur region and I'm 14 years old. My question to you is, how can the existence of heaven and hell be proven?
You see, if you are a true believer, then this is a part of the faith, that you will have to believe in the hereafter. And you will have to believe that if you do good deeds in this world, you will be awarded and will be sent to the paradise. And if you do bad things and commit sins, you will be punished. This is what a worldly person says, that we don't know what is going to happen. That is what the atheists are saying, that we don't know what is going to happen in the world, and there is no life after this life. That is what they believe. This is why they have left the belief in Allah Ta'ala. So, if you are a true believer, you have to have a firm faith in the life after death. And if you have that firm faith, Iman bil Ghaib, on Allah Ta'ala, then if you have Iman bil Ghaib, then you will definitely understand that there is life after death. And if there is life after death, then this is also a true promise of Allah Ta'ala, and the true injunction of Allah Ta'ala, that if you do good things, you will be awarded, and if you do bad things, you will be punished. So we cannot say we have not seen the heaven and earth, but if we have a firm belief, then we should say. This is why, you see, atheists are deviating or disbelieving in the existence of Allah Ta'ala, that there is no life after death. So for that, there is the book Our God, and the existence, the 10 proofs of the existence of Allah, it has been printed by Khudam al-Ahmadiya, and you are now 15, quite a grown-up boy. You can read those books. Through this, you will learn more about the existence of Allah Ta'ala. When you will learn about the existence of Allah Ta'ala, then you will also know that whatever Allah Ta'ala has said is true, and after life, after this life, in the hereafter, there is, the person is either rewarded or punished. Okay? So I think you better read these books. That can give you better answer. Okay?
Acha, Jazakallah.